Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you, step by step, how to receive international transfers with Bancolombia. This guide will help you collect funds from abroad safely and without stress. Let's get started. First, make sure you have an active Bancolombia savings or checking account, since that's where the money will be received. Next, provide the sender with your account number, your full name as registered with the bank, and the SWIFT code of Bancolombia, which is Colocom. If required, also share your bank branch address and additional details requested by the sender's bank. Then, wait for the transfer to be processed. The delivery time depends on the sending bank, currency, and chosen transfer method. Once the funds arrive, Bancolombia will notify you, and the money will appear in your account balance. Finally, you can view the details of the transaction through the Bancolombia app or online banking for your records. That's it. Receiving international transfers with Bancolombia is simple, secure, and convenient when you provide the correct details. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy, step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching.